Did you know that you can purchase a quarter-acre property and still be walkable to Los Gatos schools, coffee shops, restaurants, and more? This is it, 16220 Blossom Hill Road. I'd love to give you a tour. Let's take a look. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 16220 Blossom Hill Road. There were a couple of gems I hope you saw. There's a gate that actually leads to the park right behind the house, as well as an ADU that could be used for all kinds of things. It's an expansive lot and again, walkable to the best of Los Gatos. I'm Aubrie, your local Silicon Valley Realtor.